Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video will be about Aqua ONE ceramic coating. This coating lasts for about 1 year. Obviously that all depends on maintenance. If we provide correct maintenance for a car that is coated with this coating, we'll get about 1 year durability with single coat of this coating. We can extend the durability of couple of months if we apply 2 coats. This coating is very easy to apply. So it is ideal product for beginners that haven't done any coatings yet. Also from my perspective as a car care provider, I use this coating a good bit due to ease of application. So instead of applying long-term waxes, I prefer to apply this coating as it will give way longer durability than any wax that is there on the market. This coating is a very efficient product for application, as all we need per average car is about 10 to 12 milliliters. It comes in 2 sizes. First one is 100 milliliter bottle, so we can get about 8 to 10 cars from this bottle. And the second one is 30 milliliter bottle. We can get 2 to 3 cars with it. Cost of this coating is 25 euro. Cost of this coating is 50 euro. So it costs us around 5 to 6 euro to coat 1 car from this bottle. Costs us about 8 to 12 euro from this bottle. Application of the coating is very easy. However, the key of ceramic coatings is the preparation. So we need to have the paint as best as we can. In this case, we perform 2-stage machine polishing, and this is what we achieved. And obviously after machine polishing we need to degrease the paint. We need to remove any compounds, polishes. For this we use product like this. This one is called ADBL Wipeout Pro. So we have the surface ready for application. So what we need is, we need few drops of the coating on applicator pad. For forced application we need a bit more just to prime the pad as well. And to have even spread, what we can do is tap it like that, and then we can spread the coating. Now we can leave the coating for 3 to 5 minutes and then we can start to buff it off. To finish off the coating, we need to use 2 cloths. One will be for leveling the coating and the second one will be for final buffing. So we'll give it a go now. So we have the coating leveled. Now we need to do the final polishing. As you can probably see there are holograms on the coating, so to finish it off properly we need to remove them, and this is what we need the second cloth for. In this case we should use some inspection light to make sure that it shows us any holograms. So this is what we achieved there. Cure time of this coating is roughly about 12 hours. So if we don't have infrared light, we should leave it indoor for about 12 hours. I'm going to use infrared light to cure it quick, and then I will also show you what sort of hydrophobic properties this coating gives. So I'm going to leave it for 20 minutes and then we'll go ahead. So the coating is fully cured now. We'll just see water behavior on the coating.
I think it's
So that's everything in this video. If anyone is interested in this coating, you can buy it from my website. Thanks for watching the video and see you on the next one.